So, I'm up in the mountains today trying to chase some snow. How did I do? Let's have a look. So I found some. My favorite tree is looking a bit worse for wear, but here we are. Let's see what images I can make with the conditions I currently have. Let's do it. Safe to say the mission to find some snow was successful. Whether or not I can make any photos with this is another story, as it's about 1 now and the snow is melting quite fast. It's a completely clear day and the sun is fighting back hard. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. See if I can get any more footage. If not, I'll let you know. So that was our Blue Mountain Snow Hunt adventure. As you can see, it's close to 2:30 now and most of the snow has been melted away by the sun. Our friend here who likes sun tanning is still holding on, but looking a tad bit faint, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care of yourself, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out.